Hello, welcome to Silent Pool Distillery. My name is Tom Hutchings, Head of Technical Operations. We are located in the Surrey Hills. It's the most wooded county in the UK, so we're surrounded by lush woodland and sort of rolling countryside. Our rural location is a constant reminder of the importance of sustainability. So we're constantly researching and looking for new ways that we can improve our environmental impact. Whether that's implementing new environmental sustainability initiatives or changing the way that we operate around site. With regards to production, distilling is a fairly energy intensive operation and it's resource heavy. So we've always looked at ways that we can either reduce our carbon footprint or reduce the amount of resources that we're using. So this is our original 350 litre still. This is actually fired on a wood-fired heritage steam boiler that we reclaimed from a collector in Kent. So basically wood sourced within a 10-mile radius of the distillery, and that's used to heat the still. When we expanded, we installed a still 5 times the size of this, so an 1800 litre still, and obviously it takes a lot more energy to run it. We actually tried to fire that on a similar sort of setup, so a heritage steam boiler, but we couldn't get enough energy. So we've actually replaced that with a modern steam generator, and that's fired on HVO, which is hydro-treated vegetable oil. It's basically cooking fat, chip fat, that's being repurposed into red diesel or the equivalent, 100% renewable and 90% better on emissions. It costs us a bit more money, but it's very important to us that we make that step to reduce our emissions. Distilling also is known for using a lot of water, and one of the main uses in the cooling of the stills, so in the condensers. And next door we actually run the system on a closed loop system. So that basically means all the water, rather than getting vented to the air, it just goes in a closed loop and it cools the system, and then we can use that to heat the building. We've also got 16.5 kilowatts of solar panels on the roof, and we're just about to install another 20 kilowatts. So with that combined 36 kilowatts, we should be able to offset most of the energy in production on a good day. We get plenty of sunny days in the summer, and that will help to offset the energy we're using. Finally, we're just about to install a biomass boiler, which will basically heat the site. So that's again fired on local wood, and that will heat all the distillery buildings, the office buildings, using local wood. So obviously packaging plays a key role in our impact on the environment as well. Our bottle is quite a heavy grade, high quality bottle, and actually through feedback from customers who are constantly asking whether they can return bottles, we set up a couple of new initiatives to basically allow those bottles to be reused. We can't take them back into production and refill them, but what we can do is refill them for the consumer to take back themselves. So we've basically repurposed an old pilot still, so we used to use it for recipe development, and we've actually turned it into a bottle filler just for a bit of fun in the shop. So local customers can come down, refill bottles, and take them away for a bit of a discount on the price of the bottle. And another thing we've done is customers can basically return bottles for a discount on either a different bottle or a different product. And we take those bottles, we have them cut down and turned into candles, which we then resell through the shop. So there's a bit of reuse of materials and resources. So we're careful to avoid plastics or single-use plastics as best we can, and we're always in the process of reviewing what resources we use and how we can improve. So one of our most recent transitions, we're moving away from inflatable bubble bags to 100% cardboard solution for basic direct consumer shipping. So we do a lot of online shipping direct from the distillery, and we're replacing the plastic in that system for a cardboard solution. That combined with the eco nuggets, so the basic biodegradable void fill that we've been using for a couple of years. We're also just in the process of developing and launching a new product with a company called Frugal Pack. Frugal Pack have developed a cardboard bottle with a plastic liner. This is 100% recyclable and offers about a 77 to 85% reduction in carbon footprint. The product's called Green Man, and we'll also be making a charitable donation, the profits from that. And this is basically just one of our new products that we're looking at to improve our sustainability. This year we're putting a lot more resources behind reviewing and improving all of our sustainability initiatives. We'll be setting proper goals and looking in key areas such as energy usage, resources usage, wastage, and also reducing our single-use plastics and plastics used on site. Over the next couple of years we hope to make real strides and improvements around site and have all that information accessible through our website so that people can actually see the steps we're taking to improve going forward.